Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video on an easy way to build a steam whistle for your layout. And saw a video, Terry Diffenderfer uploaded a video on the Marx whistling station, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. And I asked him to send me a video so I could see how actually it was constructed. And basically it's just a fan in a box and powers a steam whistle, or a whistle that sounds like a steam whistle. So anyway, I went down to the thrift store. I've been looking for the last week or so for an air mattress inflator. And this is what I found, $1.50. And it's designed for inflating air mattresses, obviously. And I've just got it temporarily mounted to one of these wooden train whistles. Now, the nice thing about this, of course, is it's running on 12 volts. Hooked it up to an old Lionel switch. And it gives you an instant steam whistle for your layout that costs a grand total of $4. So it's really simple, it's really straightforward, it's really easy to make it. And this is just an air mattress inflator. Like I said, I found it at Goodwill, about $2. And hooked it up to a 12-volt power supply that I had. So the power supply is under the bench, and this thing is just sitting here plugged in. And I just wired it to an old Lionel switch that I had. And as you see, it actually is fairly effective. And it cost $4 to make it. So it's really straightforward, it's really simple. Anyway, like I said, I've been looking for a way to build one of these things. And this is what I came up with. It's really straightforward, it's really simple. A bit clunky and ugly. But the nice thing about this, of course, is you could mount the air mattress inflator virtually anywhere and just put a hose on it. You could mount it under the layout someplace so you don't hear it running, and just run the hose up to the whistle, and it works. That's the nice thing about it. And as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. In this case, this air mattress inflator was $2 at a thrift store. In fact, I got this at Goodwill. Robin got the whistle for me, I don't know, sometime last year. $2. You can find them on eBay. They're really, really inexpensive. Anyway, you combine them and hook it up to a power supply and a switch. And in this case, it gives you an instant steam whistle for your layout that doesn't cost you anything. And you can epoxy this thing together. Like I said, you can take the fan. It's just an impeller, basically, in a box. And mount that someplace under the layout so you don't hear it. And then just run a hose up to the whistle and mount the whistle right under the edge of the layout table, wherever you want to put it. And it gives you an instant whistle that doesn't cost anything. The nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. So I now have an electric whistle where I didn't have one 20 minutes ago. So I just wanted to do a quick video to document this. It's easy, it's cheap, it's simple, it only takes a few minutes to make it. And you could probably put, this runs on DC, you could probably put diodes on it and run it off track power. I've got it hooked to a 12-volt power supply, wired into an old Lionel switch that I had, came with something I bought on eBay. No idea what. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's simple. And best of all, of course, the fact that it works. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.